Rooftop tents. Big, awkward and heavy. I wanted a way to be able to remove the tent off the car, but also somewhere to store it. I've come up with this system which uses a 240 volt single phase winch and some ropes and pulleys. As you've seen, I use CAD and a CNC plasma table to make my pulleys. You definitely don't need this. A good old fashioned grind will do the same job. These will be the two bars that support the weight of the tent. We've got some rubber on the top and some rubber on the bottom, and also some rubber feet for when it's sitting on the ground. Overall, for just under $300 Australian, I'm absolutely stoked with how this turned out.